गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर ब्लॉग। सो भाई आज है संडे मतलब मैंने जैसे कि प्रॉमिस किया था कि आज हम जाएंगे इंडिया इंटरनेशनल कॉफ़ी चैम्पियनशिप के सेकंड डे पे। और आज होने वाला बहुत ही बड़ा धमाका, क्योंकि सारे कॉफ़ी एक्सपर्ट वहाँ पे पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, हमारे ही ब्रांड से, मतलब स्टारबक्स से और दूसरे ब्रांड से भी। तो आज बहुत अमेजिंग होने वाला है, तो बने रहिएगा। आगे मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ, चलेंगे थोड़ी देर में हम वहाँ पे और कवर करते हैं उसको। भाई हम आ गए हैं हमारे इंडिया इंटरनेशनल कॉफ़ी फेस्टिवल के डे 2 पे, जहां आज सारे के सारे एक्सपर्ट्स कंपटीशन में कॉम्पीट करेंगे। हम चलते हैं डायरेक्ट लोकेशन पे।
We have Tito from Tata Starbucks. Give him a huge round of applause. Give him some energy. Guys, make some noise for him.
Okay, start.
Say time and we will start your time.
Time. Hello judges, welcome. So as a barista, it's not only about brewing a great cup of coffee, it's also about making great customer connection with customers over coffee. So hi, my name is Titu and I'm from Tata Starbucks and
You best
Today-
give him a huge round of applause, everybody. Come on. That is the energy you need to bring in. Alright. क्या सीखा आपने उस स्टेशन से आज? What did you learn from that station today?
we need to prepare more better for next time.
There's always betterment for next time. Give him a huge round of applause. Huge round of applause for him, ladies and gentlemen. Up next, I welcome Ms. Chandni Punish. Give her a huge round of applause. Mr. Shobit Agarwal, Mr. Asif Salim. Give them a huge round of applause. And our shadow judges, Tejasvi Verma. Quickly checking in. Do we have Deepak Bhattaram from Tata Starbucks?
Trying to serve you the same exact coffee. Now you and I, we're trying to do the best we can for coffee. Tomorrow there might be a new way to do something even better. But remember, with the quality of coffee, we have to really focus on consistency with time.
That is Vinny for you, ladies and gentlemen. Vinny, please walk yourself out. You still have about a minute left. Please walk yourself here. You were absolutely incredible. Give him a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. 2, 1, time.
So good afternoon everyone. My name is Shefik and I'm a proud partner of Starbucks. So I live in Delhi. So this is a great time for me that I'm presenting my brewing skills with all of you. So first of all, it's an honor for me that I'm presenting this coffee brewing with all of you. So I will.
A Sanskrit phrase that means our guest is our God, and we supposed to treat them with dignity, respect, kindness, and a great hospitality. So today, my name is Deepak Bhatt. I am here as in your host.
Thank you guys.
Really glad and happy to see all of you supporting me a lot. Thank you so much. This is Deepak Bhatt signing off.
That was Deepak Bhatt, ladies and gentlemen. Deepak, please bring yourself out. How was your experience?
So I think one of my mentors has nominated me.
Uh-huh.
During the nomination, I have asked him a question why he nominated me.
Uh-huh.
So one thing he really mentioned that जितना हमने 15 साल में सीखा है तो अभी अगले 15 दिन में सीखने वाला है. In fact 15 दिन नहीं था, 7 ही दिन था, but he said, he mentioned that he have learned a lot of things, and I think such competitions, such platforms give us a lot of confidence while presenting.
Absolutely.
Right. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, everyone. Thank you.
And now, give a huge round of applause. Moving on to the next question. From your practice sessions and all of that, what was that one thing that you learned from that station today?
So I think it is important to keep on practicing. Doesn't matter how old you are, how tenured you are in terms of brewing coffee. Not feels like, but I was brewing a lovely coffee for all my customers, having connection with them. But in such platform, it was very difficult to concentrate on each and every aspect, right, which you are practicing since last 2 or 4 days.
Absolutely. And now asking one of the best parts of that station. What was the best part that you take it as the best experience?
So I think this particular platform gave me an opportunity to once again live up to my dream to become a chef. Unfortunately, मैं नहीं बन पाया, but I really love to brew coffee for the customers, and I feel like I'm a chef. Whenever I'm getting a compliment from the customers. So I think this platform gives me that dream come true again in front of such huge audience. So thank you so much, everyone.
Absolutely. Give him a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. The coffee version of MasterChef, isn't it? Alright, wishing you all the luck. And the guest to please.
Time. Hi judges, a very good afternoon and a very warm welcome to all of you. My name is Bhavya and I'm part of Tata Starbucks. I'm very pleased to stand here in front of you to share a passionate coffee session with you all. So do you know I have an exciting cup for you today which I have sourced from Riverdale Estate of Tamil Nadu, particularly from the Shivara Hills at an elevation of 1450 meters above sea level, temperatures in night at 8 degrees Celsius, in day at 30 degrees Celsius and humidity of 30%. All of these factors contribute to the ideal microclimate of the coffee development. Along with that, this results in slow maturation of beans, thus spending more time on plant and hence having a high. As much as love to brew this coffee to you, I hope you all had a great experience today with the journey of Riverdale in Tamil Nadu farms. I hope this coffee gives you a good evening and also you are a such lovely audience to me. Thank you so much. This is Bhavya representing Tata Starbucks and that's my time.
That's a Bhavya, ladies and gentlemen. Let's have you out. Please get yourself here. How does it feel? Yeah, come on! Give it a huge round of applause. Come on, everybody. What fabulous presentation. How does it feel to brew your first set of coffee in front of the judges at the National Brewers Cup?
It was very nice. Everybody was looking good there. I had good confidence and I hope I have brewed a lovely cup today.
Absolutely. What was your favorite part about your entire task?
I was very afraid to come here, but when I see the faces there, I was very pretty much calm and I go with the flow.
That's like it. And if you have to take one lesson from that station today, what would that be?
Time management.
But you managed it well. Give her a huge round of applause. Wish her all the luck for the results. Please stay here. We'll take one photograph of yours. Out there, calling up on stage, our final set of judges. First up, please put your hands together. The loudest for our head judge. One last time, Mr. Vikram Khurana. Give a huge round of applause, everybody. And along with that, on jury we have Mr. Hariom, Mr. Nilesh, Ms. Mishti Agarwal, and our shadow judge, Mr. Fayaz. A very warm welcome to all of you. One last brew to find the best at the Delhi region, ladies and gentlemen. The National Brewers Cup Championship 2024, organized by Specialty Coffee Association of India, sponsored by Coffee Board.
Alright, thank you. So good evening esteemed judges. My name is Minnie Sharma and today I am honored to share with you a coffee which is not just a beverage but an experience. It's a story of meticulous farming, precise roasting and carefully brewed coffee all brought together in this cup for you. So let's begin by getting to know a coffee a little better. The coffee comes from Asia Pacific region and to be specific, it comes from Coorg, Karnataka in India, grown at an altitude between 900 to 1500 meters under the perfect climatic conditions that are warmer days, cooler nights and an annual rainfall between 2500 to 3500 millimeters. Coorg form the part of Western Ghats, which is considered one of the largest biodiversities, consisting of approximately. Please take a deep inhale before you taste the coffee. This is for you. Please enjoy your coffee. This one's for you. Please enjoy. This one's for you. Please enjoy. So this coffee is not just a cup, but it's a true reflection of nature's brilliance, human dedication, which is very suitable for provoking emotions of relaxation and comfortability. Thank you for having me here and sharing your time with me. I hope you will enjoy this cup of coffee as much as I did it brewing for you. Thank you. Thank you.
Give her a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And last participant, Manish Sharma, we request you to please bring yourself out of your station. Right here. How does it feel?
It was a great experience. I first time participated in such a competition, so I had a lot of learning. Yes.
Now, if you have to take one best learning from that station today, you as a brewer, what are you going to take it?
So yes, brewing coffee takes a lot of practice. So yes, practicing a lot before coming to such competitions.
Of course, and I think you have a lot of supporters here. Give her a huge round of applause to you guys. All right. On the count of one, make the loudest noise you guys can. 3, look at this camera. Make the loudest noise. 3, 2, 1, say woo! That is Shivani Sharma from Tata Starbucks. We have Shivani from Tata Starbucks. Give a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Our next participant. Cindy from Muthavar. Yeah, from Tata Starbucks. Siva, please make your way in the front. Ladies and gentlemen, Manish Sharma from Tata Starbucks.
तुम में गाता गाना
छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा किया तूने क्या इशारा
That was fabulous of him. Give him a huge round of applause. Delhi Prelims. Yes, this is going to be our regional winner. Are we ready? But before we announce this, Vikram sir, please join us. Mandapa sir, please join us. The power of 3 is always good. Now let's have you on the stage. All of you together announce the name on the count of 1.
in Bangalore. So, any guess on the winner?
NBC guys.
National Barista Champion, New Delhi. Any guess? I'm sure everybody is nervous or they don't want to guess any name. Mr. Ketan Kashiram Masta. The winner is Kartikya Mishra.
That's Kartikya Mishra from Brookside, Portland. Get up on it. Congratulations. It was his first participant and the first.
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक। सो मैं आ गया हूँ घर पे और आज का दिन रहा बहुत ही ज़्यादा बढ़िया, बहुत ज़्यादा अमेजिंग। इतने सारे कॉफ़ी चैम्पियंस को एक साथ देखा उन लोगों को जो कि रोस्टर्स हैं, जो कि ब्रूअर्स हैं। कुछ लोगों के तो अपने खेत हैं कॉफ़ी के, और वो अपने खेत से ही कॉफ़ी लाते हैं, वहीं से कॉफ़ी को रोस्ट करते हैं और बना के पी जाते हैं। हम तो सिर्फ ब्रूअर हैं, और मेरे जैसे लोग तो सिर्फ जनता है जो सिर्फ देखते हैं और कॉफ़ी पीते हैं। बट आज मुझे पता चला, इनफैक्ट इस इवेंट्स में आके मुझे पता चला कि कॉफ़ी हैज़ गॉट ह्यूज स्कोप। मतलब कॉफ़ी पैशन इज़ समथिंग जो कि अगर आपके अंदर आ गया और आपने इस कॉफ़ी के बारे में जान लिया तो आपको मोहब्बत हो जाएगी कॉफ़ी से। मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला, मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया इतने सारे चैम्पियंस को देख के, इतने सारे लोगों को देख के जो पैशनेट है कॉफ़ी को लेके, अपनी इनोवेशन कॉफ़ी के साथ में मिक्स करते हैं, एक अच्छा ब्लेंड हम लोगों को सर्व करते हैं। एंड बहुत अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस जो मुझे मिला इंटरनेशनल कॉफ़ी वीक में। मेरे लिए ये हमेशा एक यादगार कॉफ़ी वीक रहेगा, और जब भी मैं कॉफ़ी पीने के लिए चाहूँगा मैं याद करूँगा इन रोस्टर्स को, उन फार्मर्स को और उन बरिस्टास को जो इस कॉफ़ी को मेरे तक पहुँचाते हैं। आई एम वेरी मच थैंकफुल टू ऑल ऑफ देम। बट उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोगों को भी ये व्लॉग के थ्रू जो कंटेंट आपको मिला, जो इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको मिली, जो चैम्पियनशिप की झलक आपको मिली, जो मैं जितना पहुँचा पाया आपके पास में, आई होप आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा। और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि ऐसे ही कुछ डिफरेंट चीज़ें मैं आप तक लेकर आता रहूँगा और आप लोगों को पसंद आएगी। सो विद दिस, थैंक यू सो मच। मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप इसी तरीके से मुझे अपना प्यार देते रहेंगे मेरे इस चैनल पे। रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि प्लीज़ मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, आगे शेयर करें, ताकि और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। मुझे एनकरेजमेंट तभी मिलेगा, मैं और ज़्यादा पैशनेट रहूँगा जब आपका मुझे प्यार मिलेगा। तो मेरी भी रिक्वेस्ट है, इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, और मिलते रहेंगे आपसे रोज़मर्रा के किसी ना किसी ब्लॉग के साथ में। विद दिस आई साइन ऑफ फ्रॉम हियर। Goodbye, take care.